Aerospace is building the Dream Chaser spaceplane, which is the world's only commercial private spaceplane. And the greatest part about the Dream Chaser is it can land on a runway anywhere in the world.
It will make a trip to the International Space Station carrying cargo.
For the Dream Chaser program, we will have on the order of 5,000 to 10,000 unique parts that we'll use for alignment features when we do installation on the vehicle, all of different geometries and locations on the vehicle.
We're also getting ready now to do a lot of drill fixturing to facilitate the fabrication throughout the vehicle. The other use that's now becoming more and more prevalent is actually doing engineering mock-ups. Like this here I'm standing next to is an engineering mock-up from our propulsion group that is doing a large hydrogen engine.
We have two Fortis 900s. They're running 24/7 to help us build soft tooling. Eventually, we will start to build parts, though, for the vehicle. We like Stratasys team and their products because they help us do what we're doing here faster.